If you are looking for how to remove background from video in Adobe Express, then you are at right place. So we are going to make a reel. So I'm just going with Instagram reel. Okay. So here I'm just going to click on upload, and this is the video with green background. So you will see the option remove background. Simply click here. So as you can see, the background is removed. Now you can add background if you want. Simply click here, background color, select the color you want, and then drag it here. You can also add image or a video. Let me show you how. Click on media, and here just drag this one, make it bigger, and this one here, and now this one here. So
Why would someone join your email list about
hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.